Thanks for your interest in HCC's welding courses. I'm Carol Williams, one of HCC's welding instructors. We're very detailed in our classes here. Feel free to come by and visit, tour the place if you're interested. We got half time in class, half time in the shop. So please feel free to come by anytime and check us out on the website. The biggest demand in my class is people wanting to learn how to read blueprints, understand blueprints, all the definitions of the blueprint. So that's a big demand in production. They want to know what design drawings are for, what welding procedure you'll be using. So there's a big demand in that, and I'll be happy to teach you that and stay after hours with you to help you learn this stuff. Now in our shop, we offer AWS certs, which will be mailed off. It's like a 4-position weld test. So you'll get an AWS certification card, and with that, once you pass your test, that's uploaded onto the internet to where companies can view your welding certs and they'll be reaching out to you. I encourage you to review the welding program webpage for more details. I'm happy to speak with you and answer any questions about our course offerings. If you're interested in getting started at HCC, please consider completing our free college application as the first step.